Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Zoho Books Invoice. Zoho Books Invoice is a feature within the Zoho Books accounting software that allows users to create and send professional invoices to their clients. It streamlines the invoicing process, track payments, and helps manage finances effectively. This makes the platform a must-have not just for big businesses but also for small ones. Before getting started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign up for an account or sign in to your account on Zoho Books. Before you can create an invoice on Zoho Books, the first thing that you'll need to do is to add the customer's details such as name, address, and more information about the customer on the customer's page, which you'll find under the sales. Go ahead and click on sales. Now click on customers. At the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find the new button. Click on this. In this area, you'll need to select the customer type such as business or individual. You'll need to enter the primary contact such as the customer's name. If it's a company, then you'll need to enter the company name. You'll need to select the customer's display name. The platform will give you suggestions for the display name. You'll need to enter the customer's email since once you're done entering the required information on the invoice, the system will automatically send the email invoice on your client. You can also enter your customer's phone number or mobile number. Now under this, you can enter other details about your customers such as your customer's address, your customer's contact person, your customer's custom fields, required page or remark about the customer. Now once you're done, just click on the save button and this customer will be added to the customer list. Now let's move on to the invoice page. To create an invoice, just click on new invoice. In here, you'll need to select the customer name from the list of the customers. You'll need to enter the invoice number. You can enter the code number or the number of the invoice according to your record. After that, you'll need to enter the due date of this order from your customer. If you're selling an item, then you can also enter the salesperson's name. Now under this, you'll find the item table. So on the item table, you'll be able to select the item from the products that you're selling on your business. If you've given this customer a discount, then you can enter the percentage of the customer's availed discount. If you're shipping your item from one place to another, then you can enter the shipping charges. You can also enter or upload the file for your terms and condition if you have one. Now you can save this as an invoice or save and send this invoice to the email of your client. You can have a preview of the email that's going to be sent to your customer's email. You can attach the invoice in PDF or send it as an email message. Now once you finalize this, just click on the send button and this will be immediately sent to your client. Once this client have paid to you, just click on record payment and click on the record payment option under it. Now this will redirect you to the payment page for the invoice, and here you'll need to enter the amount received, bank charges if there are any, payment date, and payment method. Now once you're done entering the required information in this area, just click on record payment and this will be recorded on your invoice. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.